Spoiler alert, I still don't use the OnePlus buds, I use the AirPods. And to know why, keep watching this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll compare or tell you the benefits of OnePlus buds versus the AirPods in everyday life. Let's start with Type-C charging. So OnePlus buds have Type-C charging, and if you use an Android phone, it's really convenient for you to carry the same cable for both your buds and your phone. On the other hand, if you are an iPhone user, it is actually slightly more beneficial to have AirPods, right? Because you don't care if the world is using USB-C, you can carry same cable, the lightning cable, for your iPhone and your AirPod, and you're good to go. So yeah, it makes more sense to have AirPods if you have an iPhone. Secondly, talking about charging your phone, if you have a slightly advanced ecosystem and you charge your devices wirelessly, you will benefit from AirPods. Because OnePlus buds do not have wireless charging yet, so even if you don't have an iPhone, if you just have an Android phone that charges wirelessly, having AirPods would be a better option. However, and this applies to those who heavily use their buds, you would definitely benefit more from OnePlus buds, as they have longer battery backup, 6 hours without charging them, without putting them in case, and with case I guess 30 hours roughly. So yeah, battery backup is a huge benefit. And second is quick charging. Not second, I guess third, fourth is quick charging. So yeah, when you're doing something, it doesn't matter how long the battery life is. If it dies in the middle of something important, you want your buds to charge up quickly. And yeah, that feature is only in OnePlus buds, obviously, duh. And talking about people who use their buds a lot, here's a bummer. The OnePlus buds are not really comfortable in your ear. They're built with the same material as the AirPods, and they look similar. It certainly does not feel similar. They're slightly thicker than the AirPods, and that hurts in your ears. So yeah, AirPods go easy. And that is all the real life differences I've noticed between those, and that is why I still prefer buds. Also, their sound is a little different. They both sound good, but OnePlus buds is a little bass heavy. So yeah, with this, time for me to go. I hope this was helpful. Share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.